Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Trends and choosing the correct location and time frame. This immediately focuses results. Next, type 1 to 5 candidate topics and pick a category to remove noise. Once done, toggle search type, web, YouTube, news, images to see platform differences. Make sure to pin comparisons and note spikes. These first steps reveal where interest exists and why a topic might be heating up in one channel but not another. Now dig into patterns. Compare terms to find which one leads and when it peaks. Look at related queries and select rising to capture breakout search phrases you can exploit. Once you spot candidates, refine by region and narrower time windows to confirm consistent growth versus a one-day spike. Make sure to export CSV or take screenshots for records. Finally, cross-check with YouTube or news filters to validate intent and whether the topic supports content or product opportunities. Finalize by choosing the top-performing queries and translating them into titles, tags, and content angles. Prioritize terms with steady growth rather than short spikes. Once done, schedule weekly checks or set alerts and export CSVs to track momentum over time. If you get limited data, broaden the time frame or remove the category filter to surface more signals. And if geographic results look odd, clear cookies or use incognito to rule out personalization. This usually fixes skewed regional trends quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.